This is Jong Sil-byung from Water Sensor Studio, bringing you the latest news on the Iran war. Here is the situation in Iraq. Pro-Iranian militias in Iraq are attempting to enter the US embassy in Iraq, and Iraqi police are trying to stop them. Currently, clashes are occurring between Iraqi police and the militias. This is Baghdad, Iraq. Pro-Iranian militias are attempting to enter the US embassy. These are pro-Iranian militias in Iraq. They are armed and demanding that religious authorities declare a jihad. This is a mosque in Iran. After the news of Khamenei's death was announced, his supporters are weeping. This is Iran. Many Iranians are gathering at factories, mourning Khamenei's death. This is Israel. A missile has landed in an open area in Israel. A huge crater has formed. It's definitely not normal sized. A large explosion has occurred at Erbil International Airport in Erbil, Iraq, reportedly due to an attack by pro-Iranian militias on a US military base. In Doha, Qatar, Iranian forces also attacked, causing a large explosion. This is Doha, Qatar. Iranian forces in Doha launched a missile attack, which the Qatari military intercepted with air defense missiles. In Manama, Bahrain, a missile landed downtown, causing a large explosion from an Iranian attack. This is Dubai. Dubai authorities announced that debris from an aerial interception caused a fire at Jebel Ali Port, Dubai's main maritime terminal and a major international transshipment hub. The Dubai media office announced that firefighting teams immediately responded to a fire that broke out at one of the port's docks and are working to extinguish it. A drone has been detected. This is Kuwait. In Kuwait, Kuwaiti forces have successfully intercepted a drone. This is India, specifically Kashmir. In Kashmir, some followers are holding protests to mourn the death of Khamenei. The Indian military set up barricades, but protesters are breaking through and continuing their march. The transfer of power in Iran is now complete. President Masoud Pezeshkian, Ghulam Hossein Mohseni Ajaei, head of the judiciary, an Islamic law expert from the Guardian Council, and another person will serve as interim supreme leader during the transition, per Article 111 of the Constitution, which delegates supreme leader authority. Iranian state media report the Iranian Revolutionary Guard launched a sixth wave of attacks in response to US and Israeli bombings. The statement says they carried out large-scale missile and drone strikes on Israel and nearby US bases. The attacks targeted 27 US military bases, Israel's Tel Naf Air Force Base, the Tel Aviv Hakiria military headquarters, and a major defense industry complex in Tel Aviv. After the Iranian Revolutionary Guard's commander-in-chief died, Ahmad Vahidi was named the new commander-in-chief. Tom Cotton, chair of the U.S. Senate Intelligence Committee, said operations against Iran will continue for weeks. China is currently preparing to evacuate Chinese nationals residing in Iran to a neighboring country. If there are further updates, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.